there is a need for a shortcut for writing or repeating multiplication. And let me explain one reason why. Suppose I wanted to find what would happen if I could fold a piece of paper into 5 parts 48 times. So that would be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and on and on and on and on and on and on and on. And that will be very cumbersome to write all that. That would be very tedious, and it's pretty likely that you could easily make a mistake when writing it out, when reading it, when trying to solve it. That's a lot of writing. Fortunately, there is a shortcut way of writing repeating multiplication. So the shortcut way of writing repeating multiplication is like so. 2 times 2 times 2. So we have 3 2's. We are using repeating multiplication, and that can be written like so, where we have a 2 and then a superscript of a 3. And that is pronounced as 2 cubed. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. We have 7 5's. We are using repeating multiplication, and that is equal to 5 to the 7th power. In a general sense, where A is one number and B is yet another number, A times A times A times A times A times A, B times is equal to A to the B. And that is the definition for exponents, at least for the basic forms. In this case, A would be the base and B would be the exponent. So exponent's definition commonly involves repeating multiplication. This is similar to multiplication's common definition of repeating addition. There are tons of applications for exponents other than just folding paper. Exponents are very helpful in real life. Some examples are compound interest, continuous interest, writing tiny or enormous numbers efficiently. This is called scientific notation. The population growth of humans, the population growth of bacteria, and the starting growth of a pandemic. Thank you for watching this set of videos. I hope that you enjoy them.